Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So first of all, what I have to do is open a web browser and dive into socialbee.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So to get started, all you have to do is click over sign up for free, and you write your email address and your password, then you get started and you will find this page. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here the dashboard. So hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. You have your getting started with SocialBee. Set up your account in just a few steps. The first step, which is connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then the second step, which is define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. Then we have here create and customize posts for each network. And you have your connected social accounts. View and manage your social accounts in one place. Then you have your connect a new account, add more social accounts to increase your online performance. The first one we have your Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, Blosky, Universal Posting. Then you have your service marketplace. We have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers within the SocialBee certified marketplace. We have the first things here: hire SocialBee experts. Are you an MGC? Then we have SocialBee University also. And that's it for the dashboard. You have just to follow these steps to get started with SocialBee. So I will give you how we use SocialBee. SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively. So to get started, first, as I did, you will sign up for an account and connect your social media profiles, then create content categories based on your marketing goals, such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling feature, which helps you purpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach for over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility effortlessly. So this is how it works with SocialBee on the dashboard. Then we have your content. So I will show you step by step how you can use SocialBee. So we have here content. We have categories here. You can just click over create category, write your category name, add your description, and you click over create category. Also, we have your default settings, URL settings also, and that's it for create your categories. About this one, as you can see, we have created on catching posts, our blogs and videos. Then we have promotional also, and that's it. Then we have here hashtag collection. About hashtag collections, we have here add, edit, or delete your hashtag collections. From here, you will be able to quickly add them to your post. So we click over add here, you write your collection name and your hashtags tag list, and you click over create. Then we have here import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to your account with a CSV import. We have here, for example, how should you prepare your spreadsheet. You have download a sample spreadsheet, and you have view the fakes if you have questions. We have categories here also, engaging posts or our blogs, videos, promotional. You can just here also click over add post to the top, the post to the bottom also, and that's it. Then we have here import links. Turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. Turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. Please choose the social profiles you want to share on. So here we have the links category. You add here a print text also. Then we have your import media. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. Now just to select the categories. Then we have append text, and also you can add photos here or videos, and that's it. We have also here RSS, add, edit, and remove your RSS feeds below. Keep in mind that they refresh every hour. Click over add RSS, and you'll link all this information. Now I've also pocket, zip your browser, and content approval. Then you have your social media coupled. Answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use social media coupled here. So you just have to answer for these questions. Who are you creating this for? For example, person, what is your name, and write your name and your answer for these questions. Then we have here schedule setup. So that's important step. I will show you how. So this is how your categories are scheduled. Look good, if not, just change it. You have here, for example, I will add a post for Monday or Tuesday, also Tuesday, so the day that you want. And also you can just add it all the week. You can choose 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, and all the week. Also you can just choose one day. Then you select the category, for example, engaging posts, created, random categories. Then you select post time, for example, I will select 7 o'clock. Then, as you can see, then you click over create and you create a post. Then you have your schedule of statistic also here. And let's move on to the next one. You have next post. View your next post. Take a look at your upcoming 100 posts. Have your last view, calendar view, grid view, filled posts also. Then we have here analytics also. See here how your social profile has been performing and growing. You have your last 40 days. You can select last month, last 3 months, all time, custom, period. You have concierge fee. Also, the first step to getting your concierge services is filling in the intakes. Do that here now and start saving time. We have your engage help also. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.